YouTube, man, what's up? It's your boy Marcel, and today I'm about to show y'all how to tie your do-rag. Let's get it. All right, man, so the way I tie my do-rag, there's multiple ways, but I'm only gonna show y'all one way. This is gonna be a quick, easy video. All I do is, make sure it's tied nice in the back, and make sure it's really tight right here. Now, if you have do-rag lines and you've been waving, what are you doing? Like, come on, bro, you really gotta fix yourself. So in the next clip, I'm gonna have my do-rag off, and I'm gonna actually show y'all how I'm doing it. So let's get it, man. All right, man, I got the do-rag off. Before we get into it, let me show you how my wave is looking. Y'all see the waves. Hey, y'all can give me a rating in the comments below, man. Do it for me, man. Do it. All right, so let's get into it. So the way I tie my do-rag is this is a very simple way. It helps. You see, I really don't have no do-rag line, right? You see that? No do-rag line. So if you don't want no do-rag line while you have your do-rag, you get your do-rag like this. Usually what I do is, like the old ways, like we usually just pull it all the way down. You fold it over like this. And then on the sides, you make sure it's patting down right here on the side. And in the back, you fold it around. And then come back around like this. Make sure it's nice and patting. And right here, you come around. Usually some people put this piece in their mouth. I'm not doing that, that's nasty. Okay, and then you come right here. Pan it around, adjust it a little bit, make sure it fits right up there, and put it back. I tie it just like this, bam, and you pull it down, and then you're done. That's it. Nothing else to it, man. Quick, easy video for y'all. Now, I know some people are like, oh man, the video's over. I'm gonna show you one more time. But I'm gonna speed it up, showing you how to tie your damn do-rag. Calm down, let's get it. That's the end of the video, man. If you made it through the video, hit that like button, hit that notification button, subscribe, man. It helps the boy out. Hey, I'll catch you boys later. Let's get it.